Well, it's now time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited. With me in the studio is markets editor of TVC News, Effiong Ekop. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So what has happened? How's the market been this week? Today, market was down 0.33%.
Generally this week, market has largely been bearish. The prices have been tipping downward, dipping in many of the sectors. And we've seen so many of the investors staying on sales windows, uploading their securities and, taking cash out of the investment. This time around, I've seen 0.33% closing in red again. So throughout this week, I guess we've not seen prices jumping up. They have just been depressing. And if you ask me what's the implication of that, the prices of securities in many of the sectors by this condition will be very, very cheap.
And lucrative.
Yeah, so it's an opportunity. If there's any particular company you've been waiting to enter, to find out that there is a bit reduction in the prices, then you can move in. Okay. The prices may not stay like this for a very long time because we are approaching Christmas time. Anytime it may jump up, but the market is just rebalancing itself because for some time it was up. Now we've seen it coming down depending on market forces and some other economic fundamentals.
All right, so is there anything, do you think there's anything wrong at all?
Nothing is wrong with the market. The fundamentals of the markets, many of the companies, they are very, very good. It's just reactions by fund managers and investors to, some things that they feel abnormal. It could just be that some of them have pressure. They have need to immediately upload their stocks to get cash to run recurrent expenditure. Just about last month, schools resumed, so they still have some expenditure to make, paying maybe school fees or upkeep of their wards. So some of these things, and then there are some people who feel that, okay, from January till now, my investments are stayed in the markets for so long, then getting to the end of the year, let me prepare and then, get out and move to some other things. You can, take it to the fixed income subsector. It's just that nothing is wrong with the market, but there must always be this kind of variations, reactions. Yes.
All right, so what do we look up to as the year moves?
We look up to a year that will close and the markets bringing rewards to investors. In the last 3-4 years, we've been seeing our market rewarding investors up to about a 40-50%, in staking. So that fits, I guess, will be repeated because there are indicators also. We've seen what companies have given out in their half year, even some of them that are brought in third quarter reports. Performances are still not so bad.
All right.
Yes, even though the economy, you say, is very weak. There are still some companies or some sectors that you can beat your chest and then, go to sleep and put your money there while waiting for all other sectors, to pick up and the general economy to begin to do better.
So are we allowed to mention names of gainers here?
Yeah. Today we have, we basically have pressure from the price losers. Yeah. Beja Paints lost 10%, CNI Leasing 9 and 8%, Maker, International Energy, Multiverse. But if you talk about gainers, you have the likes of RC Briscoe, LLX, Deep Capital, Mutual Benefits. All of these ones that I have listed, you can see they are not in the league of the big cap stocks. They are those that we call middle level weighted securities. But it is time they are showing themselves off. Then in some insurance companies are also playing fast. It is that as the market is going this way, if you want to enter the market, this is the right time. Make a move.
All right, market editor Effiong Ekop, thank you so much for talking to us.
It's a pleasure.
The United States Federal Aviation Administration has ordered airlines to cut thousands of flights across the U.S. starting today, as the agency deals with shortages of air traffic controllers during the last... okay, so let's go now to some